There was a bonus paid out, and it was $25,671.28. I'll say it again, $25,671.28. What was the complete salary for the CEO's COVID year? It was $304,453.08. $304,453.08. I think the reason people are asking is most of us took 50% cuts, and a lot of us were home not working and just trying to make ends meet. So the media were probably asking that from that point of view. Total bonus, including the years he was here, is a total of $224,792.84. I'll say that again, $224,792.84. That was just the bonus. This year he was due to get in excess of $30,000 for his bonus, maybe 35,000, I'm not sure. But obviously he has been taken.